Want to keep an eye on your home even when you're away? In this video, we're revealing the top 10 best camera doorbells on Amazon, perfect for boosting security and staying connected to every visitor. From motion alerts to HD video and two-way audio, these doorbells give you peace of mind right from your phone. Stick around to find the best one for your home. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more smart security picks every week. At number 1 we have XTU Camera Doorbell. Receive real-time notifications when your doorbell camera is pressed or motion is detected at your doorstep. Communicate seamlessly via HD live view and two-way audio with crystal clear quality. Always stay connected to visitors and deliveries. The XTU doorbell camera offers a 180 degrees diagonal fob and a head-to-toe view in both fisheye and one-to-one modes. The one-to-one mode increases the width of the parallel view, greatly improving the security of the front door compared to the 16:9 mode in vertical height. 3MP resolution for clear recordings. Integrated IR night vision ensures visible surveillance of your front door even in the dark. Suitable for facial recognition and for monitoring deliveries. Human movements trigger real-time notifications on your smartphone, whether from unexpected visitors or package deliveries. The built-in two-way audio feature allows direct communication with anyone present via the mobile app, whether you're at home or on the go. At number 2 we have AOSU Doorbell Camera Wireless. 5MP UHD, 40% improved from 2K, adopted 7 pieces of an advanced ultra-clear optical glass lens ensures you get sharp, detailed images even in low light or bright conditions. Triple motion detection, no false alerts, advanced radar and per-motion sensors and intelligent human detection can distinguish between near and far objects track and judge whether they are people or animals. 60 days loop recording, stored videos directly to your home base with built-in 8G memory and view them anytime anywhere, support local storage. 180 days from one charge, built-in rechargeable battery and 58% consumption reduced low-power wireless connection, ensure 180 days of flawless front door coverage from one charge. 166 degrees field of view, you could see a person from head to toe or a package on the ground, there are no blind spots. At number 3 we have Lockin Veno Pro 2K Camera Doorbell. Seamlessly combines palm vein and fingerprint smart lock, crystal clear 2K 180 degrees true panoramic camera, smart video doorbell with night vision, and built-in AI hub with 32 GB local storage, no extra hub needed, no monthly fee. Touchless palm vein unlock, TÜV Rheinland certified 0.17s recognition speed and 99.9% accuracy, works flawlessly with messy hands, peeling fingers, faint fingerprints, and long nails. From the door frame, providing head-to-toe, ultra-wide views at your doorstep. Veno Pro features local AI motion detection, IR night vision, two-way talk, and 32 GB built-in storage, no monthly fees, ever. Local storage, on-device AI processing, and peer-to-peer transmission. Lockin AI on-device computation architecture ensures all computations occur locally, no cloud dependencies, avoiding privacy risks from data transmission, preventing unauthorized access and safeguarding your privacy. At number 4 we have BOTSLAB 5MP Doorbell Camera. Experience a 50% wider field of view with an upgraded 180 degrees panoramic lens that captures everything from head to toe without blind spots. The triple detection system combines radar, per-motion sensors, and intelligent image recognition technology to accurately identify humans and reduce false alarms by up to 95%. Enjoy 100% privacy and zero subscription costs with 32 GB of built-in local storage, offering up to 365 days of event storage. The powerful 6,400 mAh rechargeable battery provides up to 180 days of use on a single charge thanks to advanced low-power technology. Explore every angle and stunning detail with the innovative VR mode that offers 4 customizable viewing options. Built for security and convenience, this smart camera ensures complete home protection with crystal clear panoramic coverage. Its intelligent detection system minimizes unnecessary alerts, keeping notifications relevant and precise. At number 5 we have Youkey DB322 Doorbell Camera. No monthly fee, Youkey DB322 wired doorbell camera includes 8 GB built-in IMC storage, no subscription required. Store up to 60 days of event footage. Optional cloud and Youkey home-based backup supported. Easy setup, connect in 30 seconds via Bluetooth, dual-band Wi-Fi, 2.4 GHz/5 GHz, and Wi-Fi 6 for stable performance and secure data. Smart detection, on-device NeuroMind AI detects human, motion and packages in real time, no subscription, no delay, no cloud needed. Full door coverage. Dual camera system covers 158 degrees, top, and 120 degrees, bottom, capturing visitors head to toe and monitoring packages at your doorstep. Clear day and night vision. 2K resolution, WDR and color night vision let you see faces clearly in all lighting. Dual light system ensures round-the-clock clarity. Two-way audio, built-in -32 decibels mic and 1.5 watts speaker let you talk to visitors clearly, from anywhere. At number 6 we have REOLINK wireless 2K battery video doorbell. With a combination of 4MP HD resolution and a 1:1 aspect ratio, 150 degrees x 150 degrees x 180 degrees, the REOLINK doorbell battery camera provides an expansive head-to-toe view, offering excellent visibility of your front door and its surroundings. Day or night, it captures clear images without blurriness. Stay ahead with smart detection, alerting you to people, vehicles, or packages. Unlock the free rich notification plan with your REOLINK app account and receive up to 25 image alerts per day. Communicate in real time with visitors through video calls, only supported on iOS, and pre-recorded replies. With support for up to a 256 GB micro SD card, store ample recordings locally. Additionally, connect to REOLINK Home Hub not included, for expanded storage capacity. Wire-free plus flexible power solution, battery or wired installation supported. Regarding the wired mode, the doorbell is charged trickly through the battery after it is connected to the power source. At number 7 we have AOSU 2K resolution doorbell camera. See the whole picture in 2K resolution, with 166 degrees wide viewing angle, 4:3 aspect ratio, you could see a person from head to toe or the package on the ground. See the whole picture in 2K resolution. Get accurate alerts with smart human detection, adopted latest AI algorithms to identify humans in the video, reducing false alarms caused by moving objects like animals. Quick reply and voice changer. When a visitor rings the bell, you can answer/hang up the video call directly or select a preset quick voice reply. Also can use voice changer to protect your privacy. Support local storage. AOSU video doorbell support local storage and cloud storage services. More stable signal. AOSU video doorbell is equipped with a signal-enhanced base station repeater to maintain a more stable 2.4G Wi-Fi signal connection. At number 8 we have Eufy security video doorbell camera. Experience 2K Full HD clarity with 4:3 view for clear and detailed visuals of your visitors. Even at night, the crisp images ensure you never miss a detail. Enjoy enhanced performance by upgrading your app to the latest version for a seamless user experience. Stay connected with your visitors instantly. When someone rings the doorbell, a pop-up video call appears on your phone. If you're not home, you can set up quick responses and ask visitors to leave voice messages, ensuring you stay informed. Enjoy versatile installation options with dual power choices. The quick-release rechargeable 6,500 mAh battery allows for easy setup and mobility. When wiring, ensure the battery is inserted into the doorbell for proper function. Always turn off the power at the circuit breaker when replacing the battery or installing an SD card, not included. Note, hard wiring requires a DIY installation process, including bypassing your existing chime to ensure proper functionality. At number 9 we have WYZE wireless dual-cam video doorbell. Double the porch protection, one camera sees people, and another focuses on the doorstep for clearer package detection and alerts. The result? Double the porch protection with zero distortion. Capture all porch arrivals and departures in greater detail. Our award-winning Starlight sensor amplifies low light for vivid color images even at night. Eliminate downtime with a removable and rechargeable battery that lasts up to 6 months on just one charge. You can enable 24/7 local recording when you add a micro SD card, sold separately, and set up the doorbell with hardwired power. Easy 1-minute installation and dual-band Wi-Fi connectivity. Mount without wires or screws with the adhesive. This doorbell can connect to 2.4 GHz or 5 GHz Wi-Fi networks. Motion-activated voice deterrence. When enabled, a voice prompt plays to alert visitors that they are being recorded. At number 10 we have Aqara smart doorbell camera. No extra hub needed. This doorbell camera includes a built-in Zigbee and Matter hub, letting you connect and manage other smart devices, such as sensors, lights, and locks, directly through your doorbell. Simplify your setup while expanding your smart home possibilities. More accurate motion detection with M-Wave radar. The advanced M-Wave radar detects human presence with greater accuracy than traditional PER sensors. Get smarter alerts without false triggers from pets, wind, or moving shadows, for a more secure and efficient video doorbell. Protect your footage with encrypted cloud storage hosted securely, keeping your data close and compliant. Prefer local storage? Insert a micro SD card, up to 512 gigabytes, not included, for easy backup. The SD card slot is safely located in the chime inside your home, preventing theft or unauthorized access. Features a 2K wide-angle lens for crisp, detailed video. The built-in 95 decibels chime delivers loud and clear alerts.